quick video here on the receiver and how you install it. So obviously this is one of our head units here installed, a Vhedia head unit. We plug it into one of the actually USBs, and you can sit this where actually ever you want. I would normally suggest down the bottom, kind of at the back of the footwell, up behind the console, or even just in the glove box. Up to you where you put it. It'll work in both of those positions. If you're using this on a phone, well then you'd have this plugged into some USB power source. So if your car has like a USB or just a cigarette lighter one, that's plugged in, and again this here can go in the glove box or down at the behind the center console, or even like under a seat. It's still going to pick up the connection just fine. And then like mounting it, these are so light, I would normally just actually suggest a zip tie or a bit of thick like sort of foam double actual sided tape. You don't actually need to screw them down. You can if you really wanted to. So that is the receiver there.